Hey everyone, it is time to do the drawing, or whatever you want to call it, for the winner for the painting giveaway. I meant to do this yesterday, but had suffered from about a 12-hour very unwelcome stomach bug, and I just absolutely could not get up and get on the computer much. So I am going to do it today. I am using the YouTube random comment picker. I was going to use Gleam for this, but Gleam is just, they've changed their protocols to where you cannot pick a random comment with Gleam anymore. So I'm using the YouTube random comment picker, and I got everything opened up here to where you could see it on the computer because I wanted everyone, sorry, I was looking to make sure I had it in the frame there, wanted to make sure everyone knew that everything was all above board. I wasn't just picking someone myself and making sure it was someone I knew or something like that. So all I had to do was, right there is the URL of the video on YouTube, and I did click to filter out duplicate users just so if there was more than one comment by a person that their name was only entered in at one time. And then just clicked YouTube, get YouTube comments, which came down to 42 unique comments on there, and that is not including mine, so hopefully that shouldn't include anybody that I commented back to, or I'm sorry, should not include me from where I commented back to people. Then right here it says start raffle and pick random winner. So let's hit start and see what happens. Alright, we have got a winner, Annette Duguay. I'm sorry, I hope I'm saying your name right, Annette. From Canada. Cool, Alberta, Canada. Alright, well, Annette, congratulations. I'm really happy for you. I hope you're happy with the painting. Let's see. I'm going to click back over here. You probably already know this, but Annette, if you will go to the About page on my YouTube channel, right below there where the description is, you can see where it says for business inquiries, view email address. If you will email me, give me your mailing address or shipping address to where I can send the painting to, then I will get things on the ball and get it to you just as quickly as I can. To the rest of you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for entering. I will at some point do another giveaway. I'll pick a milestone or something for how many subscribers I have, and decide when to do another giveaway. So once again, to all of you, thank you so much. And Annette, just get in touch with me and I will get your painting on the way as soon as I can. I will be back very soon with another tutorial. We do have family coming in from North Carolina that's going to be staying with us for about a week and a half this Thursday, so I'm going to try and get something up before then, because I probably won't have a whole lot of time since then. Our daughter, son-in-law, and grandson are coming, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see them. But I will try to get something up before then so that you won't have to wait a couple of weeks to see another tutorial. Alright, thanks again guys, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.